Hi everyone, Steph here, and today I'll be unboxing an OtterBox cover that I ordered online for my phone because I lost my other OtterBox cover, so I ordered another one. It came very quick, it came in 2 days. I had no idea they had a place in Cork here in Ireland. No idea, so I thought it'd be coming straight from America, so I thought it'd be taking a couple of weeks at least. So let's get on with the unboxing. So I've already opened it and looked at it. Again, like the keyboard and mouse, I've already opened it and looked at it. So I reboxed it. Unlike the keyboard and mouse, this one was very easy to rebox. There wasn't even any tape on it. So here's the cover. I got the Traction Series. It's has the grip edge. It's slim, which I actually like. I like my cases to be as thin as possible. And if I can find a good protective one that's thin, good. Scratch resistant, whatever. I got it in the blue one with the green dots. So yeah. Oh yeah, it has a clear back. It looks really good. I actually really like it. Now, I've been wanting to get this case for quite a bit, for quite a while. But like most protective cases that it's in around, this was €40 I think. Most are in between 35 to €40 if you want to like a slim, nice looking protective case. I just really like the look of this case. And I like to see, I've been getting really into clear backs at the moment because I like to see the back of the phone, especially with my new phone. Okay, so this is the unboxing. I would show you what the phone looks like in it, but my phone is my camera right now. I'll just insert it here. But yeah, this is what this case looks like. So yeah, I really like it actually. I usually like to have multiple different covers for my phone, like multiple, like a lot, if you don't believe me. But see, 1, 2, and yes, this is a Ferrari cover. This is the Apple, I actually got this for €28 in TK Maxx, one of Apple's covers. It was like a couple, like 2 or 3 years after the iPhone 10 came out, so I got it for dirt cheap in TK Maxx. It's actually really good. I know it's not a copy because I looked up the differences. This is a Ferrari cover. By the way, these are all for my iPhone 10, not my 11 Pro Max. And then these two are just cheap covers I got off Wish, which I actually really love. This I got off eBay, which I actually really like that as well. This is a speaking case, which I liked. I got this one on, I'm not sure if it was Kickstarter or some other one, or Indiegogo or something, when they were funding making these cases, and they gave it to you at a discount, so I bought it then. It was actually during the summer of 2018. So yeah, I bought that, and I absolutely love this case. It comes in 3 pieces. And sometimes I'd just put this part on it. I love this case. I actually might get it again for my 11 Pro Max. And then I have this black one, which again I got off eBay. And then these again, which I got off eBay. The 2-piece case that they're see-through and they come in 2 pieces. And as you can see, and they just go on with the phone like that. I lost the back of one of them. I can't remember which one. I think it was the clear one. But yeah, they're all the cases I have for my phone. For my last phone. Now I only have this one. Don't worry, I have a million other cases that I want to get. So my collection will be built up soon. So ciao tutti everyone.